Hello, technical analysis fans. Here's Coach Victor here at Safehouse, and today I want to talk to you about whether Bitcoin can reclaim 70K. What should you keep an eye out for this week? Let's get cooking. All right. Let's go. Here is the Bitcoin BTC USD pair chart on Bybit. And now we need to find out if this is going to reclaim 70K or not. Of course, nobody knows the future, but we can already start making some plans in case price approaches certain levels. For example, you might have already noticed, if you know what this is the fixed range pull, the price is now at the point of control of the range since the end of February until now. So that's pretty much a month of data, and the point of control is pretty much no man's land. So, not interested in this area. But I am interested in higher and lower. You're like, what? Higher and lower? Yes, as a trader, you're interested in higher and lower. And it doesn't really matter if price goes up or down because it's possible to make money both ways. By the way, if you like what you see, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps us out a lot. Do you remember the 2021 high? If not, no problem. It's right there, 69,182. Now that 21 high is a weekly level as well. Yeah, pretty much exactly at the same place. We have an untapped and fresh and juicy weekly level, which I would very much like for price to revisit since it's so close to it. I mean, we're basically Bitcoin versus 2.5% away. Come on, that's easy peasy for Bitcoin. That is nothing. But the big question is then, what happens when price gets there? What happens when it gets to the value area high, which as you can see is very, very close or pretty much at that 70K area. That's the big question on everyone's mind. One thing is to observe and wait for price to get there, and the other thing is to actually do something about it. How do you do something about it? Well, funny you should ask, because today, later on, we have, during the New York session, a live trading session where we go into much lower time frames with specialized software to see what's going on behind the scenes, not just trading you, to then decide, is there something to do? And if yes, long, short, what? Of course, no financial advice. All of this is for educational purposes. But you get to see or have a look behind the scenes of how professional trading actually takes place. In other words, what observations are made and what helps you to make a decision one way or another. And it's also absolutely okay to do nothing if you don't see what you want to see. That's actually a very, very important criteria. So if you're interested in that, then go ahead and stay tuned for the announcement. It's going to be on YouTube, free and available. And if you want to find out more about how we use all of these tools, then please do make use of the 2-week free trial, which I have been told is ending soon, to get a look inside to see what the Vanguard membership is all about. How do you actually put all of these tools into place? How do you make them work together as a possible trading system? What steps do you need to follow to actually make sense of all this stuff? And of course, get daily updates, market analysis updates every morning about what to expect for the day across different assets, as well as 2 additional live trading sessions, Tuesdays and Thursdays, which go into much more detail. And since they're over Discord, it's real-time action going on and being described. So if you're interested in that, then link is in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. So what do we do about this 70K? Well, very simple. I'm going to approach it like this. If price comes up here and rejects as expected from an area of resistance, then all I expect is another range rotation to the downside. And this game can continue for on and on and on as long as it wants to. Yeah, and that can be very lucrative already. If price, however, comes up here and starts flipping this to support, then a new all-time high is definitely possible. So that's very roughly set the kind of price action that I'm expecting. Of course, price can just go down from here. That's also a possibility. But since it has been doing such nice range rotations, but I would prefer, if possible, a nice full range rotation to the upside, and then it's going to get juicy again at the 70K area. And that's when I'm going to start paying attention. Not so much here at the point of control, but when price actually gets up there. So this should be very, very interesting, perhaps today already during the morning session, or it's perhaps the plan for the rest of the week, but it's definitely an area of high interest where it is worth it to pay attention and check the reaction. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. It does help us out a lot. And I hope to see you during today's live trading session, and even better on Discord, so that you can be a part of the community of like-minded traders that will push you to become better yourself. No financial advice, only for educational purposes, empowering you to take it to the next level. Have a nice Monday, and I'll see you around. Bye-bye.
Elevate your mastery in trading. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.